So cleared out bottom 2 terraces here, trees. Cleared out all along here, all the trees. We could put in a grow bed down here and a grow bed right there. And then they already had a couple small grow beds, little raised beds over here. They weren't getting any light, so they abandoned them. I'm thinking we'd pull these and make some larger grow beds the whole length of this. And we got lots of mulch that we just made from all this dogwood that we cut out. My question is, these trees down at the bottom of the hill that will still be blocking our view, are these on our property? St. Vincent's. I'd like to continue taking the rest of these trees out so that we get full sun here in the grow beds, but I think it is the property. I think I was told that the property goes to the bottom of the hill.